Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix snipping tool not working problem in Windows 10 or 11. So click on start. Now here type edit group policy. Open edit group policy. Now here guys expand computer configuration, then administrative templates, then Windows components, then expand tablet PC, then double click on accessories. Here guys you will see option do not allow snipping tool to run. Right click on it, then click on edit. Here guys you have to select not configured. You have to select not configured in this list, then click on apply, then click on OK. Close it and restart. Hopefully this will work. So this way guys you can fix snipping tool not working problem in Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.